Hey guys, welcome back to my bathroom. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some little things that I do that make me feel more confident when I'm not wearing makeup. Obviously, I'm wearing a lot of makeup right now. So first, I'm going to take this off. And look, don't get me wrong, I love a freshly washed face. I think that I look pretty decent right now. But I like to feel like even better. You know, who doesn't? So these are just a few things that I do to make myself feel better when I'm not wearing any makeup. The first thing is teeth whitening strips. These are the Guru Nanda teeth whitening strips. They're the ones like from TikTok that you've probably seen everywhere. These things are life-changing. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Maybe you've already seen it on my channel before. My teeth are probably about a 3 on this little card. It's kind of hard to tell with like the sun, but they're probably about a 3 when they were like a 7 or 8. So whitening my teeth has like changed my life. It makes me way more confident in my teeth. That's what we're gonna start with. A little tip that I learned from TikTok is if you have sensitive teeth, to cut the strips in half. That way it's not like the front and back, and then it won't make your teeth as sensitive. And that really has worked wonders for me. And it also doubles how many of these you have if you only use them on the front. All right, now I know I'm going to sound a little funny for the rest of this video, but these stay on for about 45 minutes. These are the professional ones. The express ones stay on for an hour. But these are the ones you do, like, at least in my opinion, you do the professional ones in between the express ones. Now, I will say, I don't do these as often as I probably should, but I'm trying to get a little bit better at remembering them. I did buy, like, the biggest box they had, like, the deluxe box. That way I would just have more, because the problem was I kept running out, and then I would just forget to repurchase them. So I got, like, the big box, so I'd remember to at least do this a couple times a week. That's what I try to do. Couple times a week. The next thing that I do to make myself feel a little bit more confident is a brow tint. Now, I haven't done this a ton, so I'm still like not great at it. I have a whole video tutorial on me like trying this out, so if you want to watch a full video, I'll link that down below for you. But as you can probably see, I don't have a lot of brows, so like I like to make them just a little bit darker. You know, that helps me feel a little bit more confident. So I'm gonna try and do this. The first time I did it in that video was the best time that it's worked. It really hasn't worked that well since then. But let's give her a go. I've already got my brows like shaped and combed through. I'm gonna try really hard to do like a good shape, because the last time I did this, they were spotty. It was genuinely patchy, as you can probably see why. I'm not very good at this. I think it's supposed to be more liquidy than this, but like when it is more liquidy, it doesn't work. So like explain that to me. Okay, I'm just gonna get it on there and then I'm gonna try and shape it. Okay, so currently what I'm attempting is just trying to pack it on in the correct shape. Oh, you can see I can't get that hole without everything just falling off. Okay, so the last thing that I do that honestly I'm a little like addicted to are lash extensions. Again, I have another video on me trying lash extensions for the first time. I'll link that down below. It is over these Kiss Falscara lash extensions specifically. But I got these ones off of Amazon. They're whatever that is. And I've been trying them out. I really like these ones a lot. I usually just use the Falscara glue and stuff, but I'm actually gonna try and use the one that came with it, because I actually saw someone talking about how good it is, but the first time I tried it, I didn't really feel like it was all that good. So I'm gonna give it a go, and we're gonna see what happens. So I think I'm gonna try and do 4. I'm gonna do a 13 on the outer corner. So I'm gonna get 2 13s out. Yeah, another big issue I'm having is that these keep getting glue on them, and then they're way too sticky. Okay, 2 13s, or yeah, 2 13s, and then I'm gonna do 111. I don't even know if my eyes are big enough for this. 111 and I guess 2 9s, which are the smallest ones in this. Oh, well, I just got it all over my face, so I'm not really sure that's good. See, I'm trying to hold it like so lightly. Like, this is wild. And the other one's already not even sticking. Okay. Okay, so as you guys may have noticed, I had to relocate. I had to take a moment. The lashes were not working, and I was about to like crash out. So we got them done though. They're looking pretty good. The brows are off. I need to like, they're all like dry now, but we have eyebrows. And now I was trying to take these off, which is pretty easy. Just kidding. And that is what I do to make myself feel a little bit more confident when I'm not wearing makeup. I don't feel super great about it at this exact moment. But like tomorrow when I get up and go to work and I don't really have to do anything and I just look pretty decent when I get up for work in the morning, I'll be definitely way happier that I did this. Here's the close-up. These lashes are just, I feel like, a little bit too natural for me. Like I definitely feel like I want to get some slightly more dramatic ones that don't look kind of just like a really good mascara. I kind of want ones that look a little bit more, I hate to say fake, but I do kind of hope I find some that are like a little bit more fake-ish looking. Listen, and I mean, I don't know how everyone feels. Like, look at these ones. Like, they turned out so good. Also, if you have any tips for keeping these bad boys clean, I am struggling a little bit with keeping them like really nice and clean. Please let me know. Anyway, I think that is all for today's video. I was hoping to finish it when the sun was still like shining and looked nice, and that did not happen. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it was helpful. Maybe not. Who knows? Yeah. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.